Welcome back. This is Chef Maka from KTA Kitchens, and tonight we're going to do linguini aglio olio. What is linguini aglio olio? This is basically linguini pasta with oil and garlic. But we're doing a little bit different. We have a little bit of chopped capers. This is optional to you guys, the capers and the spinach, but a little bit of capers, a little bit of spinach, Parmesan cheese, some chili flakes, of course some sliced garlic, a little bit of lemon juice. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, I got the water boiling. Now I need to put the pasta in here. But I put a little salt, a little oil, whatever you gotta do, sure. The pasta's gonna take maybe 7 to 10 minutes, and we're gonna cook it just a little past al dente, and if you can't tell, take it out and taste it, okay? No, I'm not gonna make them all. I'm tossing around lightly, don't break it so that it doesn't stick. And within the next 5 minutes, we're gonna start cooking the rest of our ingredients in here. This is gonna be really, really fast. Pasta is just about there. So we got a few more minutes, and in these few minutes, this is when we start making, cooking our garlic and everything else, okay? So I got the pan heated up. A little oil in here. And then basically I'm gonna sweat some garlic out. Let's warm our capers through. And like I said, this is optional. I like capers because it's saltiness, brininess, and it adds a little more depth in the pasta. Or some chili flakes. And if you don't got chili flakes, you can use Hawaiian chili peppers, Thai chilies, and it all depends how spicy you want it to be also, okay? A little more oil. Let me drain out my pasta. And I probably won't even use it all. If I feel like it's too dry, like I said, I'll add some of that pasta water into the dish. Go back and re-season, because we just took out a lot of that seasoning. And then, as much spinach as you want. If you don't want to use spinach, go ahead and use basil or Italian parsley. But, I mean, it looks like a lot of spinach, trust me, but after it wilts down, it'll look like none. Look at this, guys. Amazing pasta. Smells so good. Oh, so good. Let's eat some. Let's eat some. And right at the end, guys, just a little bit of lemon juice. I put lemon juice because it refreshes everything back up, yeah? And you know what this goes good with? White wine, glass of white wine. Chili flakes look kind of spicy, so you want something to cool your palate. Maybe even like a nice Riesling. But let's eat it. Nice spicy. It's so good. I'm gonna tell you what, wash it down, glass of white wine. Chardonnay, Riesling, whatever you want. You want these recipes? KTA Superstores.com/recipes. Chef Maka signing out.